Once again, good morning, students, and we are here to discuss our DOE worksheet 27, schedule 4th September 2020 from your chapter The Fundamental Unit of Life. And today we will discuss cell division. Okay, student, how does the organism grow in size and our wounds get repaired? Today we will discuss all these things. Okay, in multicellular organisms, all they grow in size by the process of cell division. Means multicellular organisms, they grow in the size by the process of cell division, and the process by which the cell division into two or more new cell is called cell division. Means the process of cell divided into two or more new cells, and this process is known as cell division. Okay, so in this process, the cell which undergo division is called mother cell. See, if this cell, it will be going to divide it into two new cells, and form two new daughter cell. This cell is called as mother cell, and these two new formed cells are known as daughter cell. Okay, so the cell which undergo division is called as mother cell, and as a result it produces new cells. Those are called as daughter cells. And therefore all the multicellular organism grow in size, develop and replace the dead cells by the process of cell division. Okay, even your wounds or tissue injury or cell injury get repaired by the process of cell division. Gametes are produced by the process of cell division. And बच्चे, these cell division is of two type. First mitosis, second meiosis. Okay, in mitosis, students, this mother cell is divided to form two identical, I'm saying identical, okay, it divides and form two identical daughter cell, and number of chromosome remains the same as there in the mother cell. Okay, let's take the example of human beings. Human beings, we have 46 number of chromosome, right? And when cell division is taking place, the chromosome number remains the same. See, this 46 is there, get paired and then again divided and form two new daughter cells, and these two daughter cell have 46 and 46 pair of number of chromosome, not pair, number of chromosome. If you will take pair, then we have 23 pair. 23 pairs of chromosome get converted into 46 number of chromosome. This is number, but that is in pair. Okay, so mainly you can say if we have 46 number of chromosome here in mother cell, then daughter cell also have 46 in each. Okay, so chromosome number remains the same in case of mitosis, cell division. Okay, so in this process the mother cell divided into two identical daughter cell, and the number of chromosome in the daughter cell and the mother cell remains same. This type of cell division take place in most of the cells of our body and is responsible for the growth and repair. Okay, mitosis is responsible for the growth and repair of body. Okay, second is meiosis. What is meiosis? This type of cell division take place only in the specific cells of reproductive organ or tissue, right? As a result they form gametes by the process of meiosis. Okay, by the process of meiosis they form gametes, right? And it is mainly or specifically in reproductive organ or tissue. So in this process the specific mother cell undergo two consecutive division. In this meiosis beta, this mother cell continuously, divided into two processes, two divisions, you can say two division consistently, consecutively, means one by one, okay, one another one. So consecutively two divisions are taking place, and finally four daughter cells are formed. See this in this diagram, you will get it very clearly. This mother cell divided first into this meiosis, the first division and this second division, and then finally it is converted into, see this, finally it is converted into your this process, meiosis, cell division, and it is half the number of chromosome in each daughter cell. Means, I'll repeat, this is your mother cell. This, say, we'll take the example again. We have in human beings 46 number of 46 pair of chromosome. In case of 46 pair of chromosome, here it is converted into this. In this case we have 92, okay, and then first division it is converted into 46, 46, and then division will take place, and it will be there 23, 23, 23, and 23 in each case. So this is the way the cell division is taking place in case of meiosis. So this type of cell division take place in a specific cells of reproductive organ or tissue. As a result, only gametes are formed by the process, and in this process a specific mother cell undergoes consecutive divisions, okay, consecutive means one after other division, and finally produce four daughter cells, okay, and the daughter cells produced in this process have half the number of, see here we have 46 and here we have 23, 23, 23 each, okay, half the number of half the number of chromosome in comparison to the mother cell, okay. So this is all about your today's worksheet. Let's do question practice exercise. What is the importance of cell division in organisms? See, you can write the answer. In multicellular organism, they grow, size, develop, and replace the dead cell by the process of cell division. This is the answer of first question. Okay. Where does the meiosis cell division take place in an organism? What is formed from the daughter cell in it? See. Where does meiosis cell division is taking place? It is taking place in our reproductive organ or tissues, and right, and they form gametes by the process of meiosis, okay. So this is the answer of second question. A human cell has 46 chromosome in it. What will be the number of chromosome in its daughter cell if it undergo meiosis in cell division? We already know the answer, 23, 23 in each case, okay, in each daughter cell. So fourth question we have, what is cell divisions? Students, you can write over here, you can write the answer from here. The process by which the cell divided into two or more new cell is known as cell division, in which mother cell get divided and form two new daughter cell, and it is of two type, mitosis and meiosis. So this is all about today's worksheet. I hope you understand it very well, and if you really do, like, share and subscribe with your friends, share with your friends and subscribe the channel, those who have not subscribed yet. And students, take care, do your work regularly, continuously, and submit with your teachers, and take care. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay home. Goodbye.